Today's video I'm going to show you how I make my whitening chocolate cream, okay? Because someone actually said, oh, when next you're doing it, please let me know about it, and I literally forgot about it. So I started mixing it already before I just remember, okay? So you can use any kind of cream that you want, any type of body cream that you want, okay, on this particular chocolate whitening cream. So you can use any body cream or any lotion, any cream that you have at all. So what I did, I added 1 spoon of this Moroccan organ essential vitamin C oil. So this actually added 3 spoon of this koji clear to cream into this content that you are seeing right here. So I added my carrot oil. This my carovet carrot oil. I added 1 spoon of it into my cream, and this vitamin E oil. I added 1 spoon of vitamin E oil into the cream, and this is my rose oil. Rose oil is very good, it's super glower, so I added 1 spoon as well into the cream content. So what really is going to give us the chocolate color that we want is this actually organic kukenako oil, okay? So this work for stretch mark, white patches, and also get rid of green vein and prevents cream vein on the skin. So I added this. So this is what actually is going to give us the chocolate texture that we are looking for. So once I finish mixing this, you see how it looks like. Can see my chocolate cream is ready. So this is the cream right here that you're seeing right here. So we can see this perfectly well. This is the cream right here. So after I finish mixing, this is how the color looks like, the chocolate. So some people may be asking me the spoon. This is the spoon I'm talking about, just baby spoon, okay, not the normal spoon that we use in eating food. This baby spoon that I use in adding those things I added in the cream. And please note, this cream is for the body, not for face. Do not use it on your face, please, because I do not encourage people using their body cream on their face. That's why you see people having sunburn and all that. Okay, so this is for the body. So continue watching and continue following me, because I'm going to be creating more videos like this. Okay, so remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin, do take care of your healthy you in my next video.